Hello everyone, back with me again at this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the album cover trend in CapCut. So here you can use the template to make that album cover trend that is now trending on TikTok. So you can just go to the template tab and then just find the album cover. Okay. And here is the first one that show up. You can use which one that you think suits you the best. So for example, I want to use this. Then choose a video, choose 5 video for this template. I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one. Okay, and then click on preview. Okay, so after that you can preview the result for the album cover trend, and if you like what the result, you can export it and then upload it to TikTok. Okay guys, so that's how you can make the album cover TikTok trend in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.